This is the hotel I'm staying in. The lobby down there. The little restaurants down there and everything. It's pretty cool. I was not expecting this. And, this is all inside. That's the rooftop right there. I know you can't see it very well. That is. I like this. I like this a lot. Can't see it very well. That blackness right there is like a little stream. Pretty sure it has fish inside of it. Pretty cool looking. Little bridge over it. Little restaurant down there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And that's about it. Oh, there's something